Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to abbreviate large numbers. So instead of showing 1 million, you will see 1M, or instead of 5,500, you will see 5.5K using custom number formatting in Excel. This is super useful for dashboard reports or presentations where you want numbers to look clean and professional. So here I have a few examples of thousands, million, and billion number. How you go to the formatting options, you can simply select more number formats. You can click here as well, or you can use Ctrl+1 as a shortcut to open the number format. So coming here, I'll navigate to custom and I'll start typing custom format. We'll have 0.0 decimal, and then we'll have comma. For every comma, we'll deduct the zeros. We have 1000 reduced to 27.4, and then in quotations we'll type K. You can add an extra space if you want K to be further away from the number so it's readable, or you can leave it close to it. You can add extra zeros for additional numbers if you want to see more than one number after the decimal point. Click OK, and our first 1000 number is abbreviated. Let's do the same for this one. Ctrl+1, and we'll go to custom and we'll type 0.0, comma for the first 1000, comma for the second. Now we have the million abbreviated, and in quotation we type M, and that's how the million will look like. And the last one, Ctrl+1, we'll type again 0.0, comma for the first 1000, comma for the second to the million, and comma for the billion in quotation B, and we'll close the formatting. So now you can see here we have mixture of millions, thousands, and below thousand as well, and billions as well. So I'll show you a way of how automatically to select which format you want. So we'll select bold columns, we'll navigate to the custom format, and we'll start typing a bracket and then bigger than 9 times 9, closing the bracket, 0.0, comma, 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 in the quotations B. Then we'll have semicolon. We open a second bracket, and now it will be greater than 6 times 9, closing the bracket, and then we'll have 0.0, comma, comma, in quotation M, and for everything else we'll have 0.0, 1 comma, and in quotation K. And that's our formula. Now you can see every single one that was green is in K abbreviation for thousands, the yellows are million abbreviation, and the red one is B's. And that's it. Now you know how to abbreviate numbers in Excel using custom formatting. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more quick Excel tips. If you have any ideas for Excel tricks you want me to cover, please drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching.